There we go, so that one there, I've since just taken off the fans. Haven't cleaned them yet. But look at what needs to be actually cooled on the copper cooler. That's the colour it's meant to be. It's the colour that it is. Rather disgusting. I might even take this off while I give it a clean. Whoop. Oh no, oh well. I'll put some fresh tape on there to hold that. I'm going to give this a blast with, I'm going to put some silicone spray on there, give it a blast with an air compressor, give it a brush with this, and hopefully we're looking a little bit better. Now I've got a little bit of shine on there. How did I get that extra shine, as opposed to like down here? I hit it with some 300 grit sandpaper, or 360 grit sandpaper, to actually be able to get it so the fans might actually have a chance of cooling it, rather than just blasting nicotine. The silicone spray that I used on there is a bit smelly, but I'd much rather smell that than what this previously smelt like. This was the easy part. This is now going to be the challenging part. I'll start with this fan here, just because it's already got a little bit less on there, and then I'll have a comparison between the two. Surprisingly, that cleaned up a lot better than I thought it was going to. Think of the visibility through there, and think how much extra air that it's now going to be able to suck in. Considerably more. That was giving it a blast with an air compressor, both sides, then a toothbrush around it, then blast again, and then silicone spray, and then a blast again, and then I've just given it a rub down with a tap, with just some tissue paper, or toilet paper. That should hopefully make this machine a hell of a lot better at cooling. Now I'll do the same over here. Before, after. Fan blades on this end aren't overly great, but it's actually going to be able to draw a lot more air in compared to where it was without having to buy new fans. So I'm going to proceed and install it here. I will replace the tape that was on there, probably reuse this one, but put fresh tape on the other side. Just standard electrical tape should do the job just fine. And hopefully that's helped cool this machine a little bit more. But as I said at the start, I'm going to go wash my hands now. They feel absolutely disgusting after handling that. So try not to smoke around your computer like components. Definitely reduces the life of them, the lifespan of them, and the resellability of them when you're done with it. Because no one wants to buy a machine that's been smoked around for 5 years. That's my thoughts. Bye.